Do you know the real JWF? For decades, we've supplied the industries and systems that move the world with millions of components to power their businesses. But for us, it's about so much more than that. It's in our DNA to create something better, to design, to build, to innovate. It's in our DNA to design and engineer unique custom hydraulic, pneumatic, and electromechanical solutions that resolve challenges, improve process, and add value. It's in our DNA to build and manufacture solutions whose quality and reliability is unsurpassed even in the world's most demanding environments. It's in our DNA to innovate every step of the way, in concept development, prototyping, and throughout our design-build process. Only inventing solutions that solve problems, save money, and improve entire system functionality, no matter the application. Last, but certainly not least, our JWF certified quality guarantee is in our DNA, woven throughout our entire company. From receiving to inspection to final testing. Design, build, innovate. It's what we do. One company, thousands of components, custom solutions. JWF Technologies.